interactive knowledge exchange, a dynamic and engaging group activity that fosters collective learning, active listening, and mutual understanding. Start by arranging chairs in a circle. This setup ensures that everyone is equally engaged and can make eye contact with one another. Prepare a thought-provoking question in advance. You can inform participants about the question beforehand or introduce it at the start of the session. Begin by asking participants to introduce themselves in a personal way. They can share their name, dreams, or even a unique aspiration. Once introductions are complete, introduce the topic or question for discussion. Encourage participants to express their opinions freely, ensuring everyone gets an opportunity to speak. During the discussion, active listening is key. Allow moments of silence for participants to reflect on what they've heard before responding. As a facilitator, your role is to harmonize the discussion. Intervene only to clarify or guide the conversation, avoiding any influence over participants' opinions. Encourage the group to explore solutions, design plans, and build ideas together. This collaborative process strengthens communication and cooperation skills. Conclude the session by summarizing the key points discussed. Ask participants to reflect on their experiences with questions like, what did you learn about yourself or others? How has your perspective on the topic changed? What skills did you use or improve during this activity? End by sharing details about the next session and expressing appreciation for everyone's contributions. Through interactive knowledge exchange, you'll discover new ideas, foster deeper connections, and develop essential life skills. Now it's your turn to lead this enriching experience in your community.